Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
I, K.K. Yadav, welcomes you all in our next exercise 1.2. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. We will prove this by contradictory method. Let us assume root 5 be a rational number. What do you mean by rational number? Rational number. Rational number is a number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. If we simplify this p and q, p by q, if let's say we simplify, we will get some value a upon b. And I am assuming a and b are co-prime numbers. A and b are co-prime numbers. So root 5, therefore root 5 is equal to a upon b. A is equal to b रूट 5, ये b यहाँ पे आ गया आपका लेफ्ट साइड में, तो a is equal to b root 5. I am assuming thus a is equal to b root 5. Squaring both sides, we get 5b square is equal to a square. It means you can say a square is divisible by b square. If you transpose this b square here, it means a square divided by b square is 5. You can say a square is divisible by b square. Therefore, a is also divisible by b by theorem. ये theorem है आपकी 1.3 I think. A is also divisible by b. Therefore, we can say a is equal to. Therefore, we can say a is equal to 5. Let's say I am assuming some different variable c. A is also divisible by b. A square divisible है b से, तो a भी divisible होगा b से. It means a is equal to 5c. I am assuming this, but we know a is equal to this. If I substitute this value here, b root 5 is equal to 5c. Squaring both sides, we get 5b square 25c square. B square upon c square is equal to 5. B square upon c square is equal to 5. It means 5 is the common factor. 5 is the common factor here. This contradicts our assumption that root 5 is rational number. So it contradicts our statement that a upon b are co-prime numbers. Here a and b are not co-prime numbers. They are having common factor, that is 5. So it contradicts our assumption that is a comma b are co-prime. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. Pause the video and note down. Come to question number second. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. Same rational number are in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0. If we simplify them, they will be in the form of a upon b. A and b are co-prime numbers. You have to write all that. A upon b is equal to 3 plus 2 root 5. I am transposing this 3 to the left side. A upon b minus 3 is equal to 2 root 5. If you take LCM here, a minus 3b upon b is equal to 2 root 5. If you transpose this 2 to the left side, it would be a minus 3b upon 2b is equal to root 5. If root 5 is irrational and this is rational, a minus 3b upon 2b be a rational number. As we have assumed rational number, तो ये भी rational number आना चाहिए आपका. But we know root 5 is irrational number. Therefore, rational number is not equal to irrational number. It contradicts our that is 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. Hence, three plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Pause the video and note down fast. Note down. Question number 3. Prove that the following are irrational number. Same way you have to prove it. Let's try first part and rest part you will do yourself. Let us assume 1 upon root 2 is rational number. Rational number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. On simplifying p and q, we will get some value that is a and b. A and b are such that a and b are co-prime integers. So a upon b is equal to 1 by root 2. Cross multiply. B is equal to 2 root a root 2. Squaring both sides, b square is equal to 2a square. B square upon a square is equal to 2. It means b square is divisible by a square. This implies b square is divisible by a square. B is also divisible by a. It means a and b are not co-prime numbers. It contradicts our assumption. B is also divisible by a. Therefore, a and b are not co-prime numbers. So our assumption that is 1 by root 2 is rational number is contradicts therefore 1 by root 2 is irrational number. Please note down fast and try yourself remaining two parts.